Welcome back, everyone. This is Jeff. Hey, I just wanted to do an update on the FitcamX Dash Cam installed in my 2023 Chevy Colorado. It's been about a week or so. I've done quite a bit of driving, and just kind of want to do this update to show the performance of the camera. And like I said, we'll see how it goes. Remember, there'll be a link to purchase a camera and a discount code in the description. And once you go to the site and you purchase the camera, enter my code and you'll get a discount. All right, but you got the camera there that comes. It's got a user manual. It's got a card here if you need some help with the installation of that. It comes with this tool again, like I said earlier. And then this is the original bezel that came on the truck. And the installation of their camera is excellent. It looks OEM. There's no cords hanging down. It's got wide angle viewing, loop recording, G-Shock sensor if you're in an accident and everything. But anyway, we'll check it out. We'll check some of the videos out. I've got the app download from the App Store. It's on my iPad here. So I'll go ahead and show you that. So let's go ahead and get in the truck and I'll go over some of the videos. All right, so we've got the app up and running in the truck now. You can see that's a live view right now. So we're going to go ahead and, I can flash my lights. You can see it right there. I'm going to go to some of the files that I've recorded here in the last day or two. So there they are. And then I'm going to pick a file here and see where we go here. We'll just click on that one here. Okay, so then what I want to do is I want to make this bigger. So I'm going to click that right there. And then I got a full screen, as you can see on my iPad. All right. And I can see that's dark. It's at night. So, man, it's excellent video quality. Like I said, I'm recording another screen. So if you had this screen in front of you, just the clarity of the video is awesome. And like I said, it shoots in 4K. I don't have this set to the highest quality right now. But anyway, you can fast forward if you like. It may buffer for a second, but it's pretty quick. So I'm going to go here to the next video. And then it starts to play. Alright. I've got the volume turned down because I've got music playing in the background. But as you can see here, the bar is moving here. You can adjust the lighting in the settings, but I think it looks pretty good right now for recording it in the evening. Fast forward here. So let me go to a different video. I think I'm just sitting here for a second. Alright, there I am driving. Okay, so you can see how the lighting is. Fast forward here, and then we'll go a little further here. I'm going to go to a different video here and show you, there you go, where you got some traffic there. And then you can pause this if you want to look at something. So like, just pause it right there. So now you can see the street sign. Look at that. I mean, the clarity on that is pretty good. See how that is? And like I said, I'm recording a screen, so you can see, if you zoom in, how clear that is and everything. So we're going to go ahead and hit this and continue on. Like I said, if you want to order this or check to see if they have a camera for your vehicle, in the description I'll have some links. I'll have the link to their website. I'll have an Amazon link, and then it'll take you to their site. And then if you go ahead and order, I have a discount code. So use my code that I have in the description. Enter that when you're ordering, and you'll receive a discount. But like I said, you can see the quality here. Superb. Let me pause this again here. Let's see if we can zoom in. We're not quite close enough to see his plate, but you can read everything on the side of the truck and everything. So if you want to go on to the next video, there we are. Like I said, you can read all the signs and everything. Like I said, no buffering, real smooth video recording, wide angle, and you can see all the read all the signs on the building and everything. So go on to the next video. See, it's a little bit lighter during the day. It's a little earlier. Zoom down. We'll go to a different video. This is driving to go out to eat. Like I said, we got a little bit of sun that's kind of glaring, but still it's not bad because of the sun. There's during the day today. So anyway, if you're interested, please order. Use the links I've supplied. Use my discount code and go ahead and purchase. And like I said, excellent fit finish. You don't have any extra wires hanging down, so that makes it nice. You don't have anything that obstructs your view with the installation of this camera. But installation does vary per vehicle, I'm sure, because this vehicle here has power at the mirror, and I was able to rob the power from the mirror with their installation kit. Their installation only took 2 to 3 minutes. Very easy installation. Like I said, if you want to see that video, it's in my other videos. Please subscribe, like, and then check it out if you want to see how we install this, how quickly we install this. But anyway, check us out, and I'll catch you in a few.